the Ivory Coast, Senegal, Sierra Leone, Ghana, of course. So let's check out some of the fun differences between the Nigerian accent and the Jamaican accent. Check this out.
Forest.
Forest.
Botu.
Buckle.
Pomegranate.
Panganat.
Okay, that's just crazy, right? You know what? I want to give a Canadian version of that one day still, so check it out.
Forest.
Forest.
Forest,
Botu.
Buckle.
bottle,
Pomegranate.
Panganat.
pomegranate,
Macaroni.
Macaroni.
macaroni,
Vitamins.
vitamins,
Padu.
Pago.
paddle,
Military.
Military.
military,
Oil.
Isle.
oil.
Then how do you say aisle?
Isle.
Us Jamaicans.
Plantain.
Plantain,
Coconut.
Coconut.
coconut,
Neighbor.
Neighbor.
neighbor.